Hey folks, Cowboy Ron here, and I'm seeing an old friend of mine. It also helps me out a little bit with my leather work. Tell me how to pronounce your name again. Buckskin to Calico
Right.
on First Street, Snowflake. Always plenty of parking around here. Get good gas station right across the street. Look at his shop here. He's very organized. In fact, I was asking him about a saddle. If you had a special saddle that's been in the family, and if it was had to be taken all the way down to the tree. He says it takes about 40 hours to do it, but that's could be a good investment. As you know, saddles are not cheap, and especially if it's been in the family, it's invaluable to you. He's a good man to talk to, very honest, very efficient. He said it'd take about 40 hours to do a saddle completely. Most things, if it's just stirrups, it don't take that much. So for 40 hours, about how much would it cost somebody?
You're looking around material and everything, probably 1,500.
About 1,500. But again, that could still be a good investment. Okay, folks, we'll be doing some more news tonight, and come back and see cowboyron.com.